Hello and a beautiful good morning to all. My name is Prerna Singh and I'm from BCA PPU first year batch 1, and I'm here with my PPT slides to show you something about computer hardware which is given by our respected teacher Akanksha ma'am. So let's get started. First of all, what is computer hardware? A simple definition of computer hardware is any physical component or any physical part or component that contributes to a computer system is known as computer hardware. There are several kinds of hardware according to the design or structure of your PCs or desktop. So here is something about motherboard. The motherboard is one of the most essential component of your computer system. It holds together many crucial parts like CPU, memory, and connectors for input and output devices. Totally motherboard functions are important for working well of your computer system. Now something about CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is, as you all know, it is the brain of the computer. It works as same as human brain does. As human brain control all human activities, CPU to control all the tasks and operations of your computer system. The CPU component is a piece of hardware that carries out instructions of your computer program. It also performs arithmetical, logical, and input-output operations for your computer's programs. Now something about RAM. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. As you all know, RAM is a type of computer storage. RAM devices are used in computer system as main memory. RAM devices are considered to be volatile memory. Volatile means if it loses the data or information when your system is turned off or the power supply is cut off. There are some more other computer hardware examples like keyboard, mouse, printer, USB, ROM, and so on. So thank you. That's all from my side.